Make real estate investing simple with this brand new turnkey suited townhouse designed for long-term success. Step inside and experience thoughtfully designed townhomes built with quality and tenant appeal in mind. Open concept layouts, soaring 9-foot ceilings, and premium finishes create bright, spacious living areas that tenants love. The kitchens are the heart of these homes, featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and sleek modern cabinetry, a perfect blend of function and sophistication. Each unit is designed for ultimate comfort with private entrances, en-suite laundry, and large windows that fill the space with natural light. And with double detached garages, tenants enjoy secure parking and extra storage, an amenity that appeals to long-term tenants. Outside, the details have already been taken care of. Professional landscaping, full fencing, and window coverings mean less work for you and an easy move-in experience for tenants. Plus, with a property management allowance and a new home warranty, this is a truly hands-off investment, giving you peace of mind while maximizing long-term returns. For investors, this is more than just a property. It's a cash-flowing asset in a high-demand rental market, backed by solid fundamentals and long-term growth potential. With multiple financing options available, including residential and commercial financing programs, you can tailor your investment to your financial goals, whether you're looking for higher leverage or a more traditional approach. And when it comes time to exit, flexibility is built in. With separate titles, each covering 2 rental doors, you can choose to sell them individually or as a full portfolio, maximizing your options for future resale. Turnkey, modern, and built for success, this is an investment you don't want to miss. Contact us today to secure your project and start growing your portfolio with a high-quality, low-maintenance rental property.